a great choice today with the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, remote engine start, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.